Oh, so coming up on the military checkpoint. Let's see what we got here. So I spent the last few days here in Ensenada, and now it's time to get back on the road. It was supposed to rain a few days, but it only rained a little bit on one of the days, and the other couple days, it was all right. But I had to get my bike fixed. Got my bike fixed. Everything is taken care of. The bike is good. The issues are fixed, and now it's time to get back on the road. And today we are going to head to, I think it's called San Vicente. Anyway, it's a short ride. It's about 43 miles, I think, and that's where I'm headed to tonight. So I'm getting a late start. It's about 10:30, and I'm getting on the road right now. So it's going to take me more than, I hope, 4.5, 5 hours. Anyway, off we go. I'm out of here. Let's do this. Gracias. All right, great. So here we go. On our way out, no clouds. Well, there's clouds, no rain clouds. So the storm passed. It only rained for one day, I guess. I don't know. It wasn't really a rain like they said it was going to be an all-day thing. But it's not supposed to rain again until Sunday. So I have 3 days to ride. That's my choice because I've chosen not to ride in the rain, and I'm not going to ride in the rain. So, and I chose to stay off the dirt because right now it's too muddy, and it's just going to be muddy again. So we'll make our way south on the roads, which are fairly good. It's a little chilly right now, but the sun pops through there, heat me up. The riding heat me up as well. So we're good. Yeah, I don't like those clouds up there. It's not supposed to rain today, but that doesn't look pretty. Doesn't look pretty at all. And she just wants to pull right out in front of me. Oh well. We got here something new being built. All right, expanding the highway. Cool. That's the stuff I didn't want to ride through, right there. So I didn't have my camera on, but I just passed two people going northbound on bikes. So I don't know where they're coming from, but we are passing in Where we at? We call this what city is this? This is oh, look at those mountains. Oh, it's so nice. It would be nice up there just to look down. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, look how nice that is. Isn't that just the view right there? Oh, so coming up on the military checkpoint. Let's see what we got here. Can I ride through or am I gonna have to stop? Probably gonna have to stop. Let's see right now. Oh, I think this side is free flowing. Let's see. Yeah, it's free flowing going south at this checkpoint. Everyone coming north has got to get checked, I guess. Well, that's what dropping a lot, huh? But it is what it is. Yeah, that doesn't look pretty at all. Whew. Oh. Came around those, up this, getting ready to go over the other side. That took forever. Oh gosh. Huh. Now this is getting a little sketchy here. Like this. This is just like a portion going from into Ensenada. No shoulder. Oh, my hands were getting numb on that just from me thinking about it. Squeezing the handlebars. Alright, now they're feeling better. A little bit more relaxed. Oh, that sun feels good. Oh, stay there, please. Look at that over there. Let's see, right there. I think it opens up. I'm not sure. Feels like it. I'm not looking at my map. I don't want to know how far I have to go. Okay. Oh, I can't show you my face right now. Show you all the pain I'm in. Oh gosh. All right. Whew, almost there. Almost there.
Before I end this video, let's take a look at the map of today's ride. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
All right, I'm all checked in. Sun's going down. I'm gonna take a shower, go to the restaurant, grab a bite to eat. Apparently the restaurant is a decent restaurant. Need to go across the store, pick up some water, FYI, to myself. That's what I need. This is what I get. It's not too bad, it's clean. Yeah, let's see what the shower looks like. Yeah, it is what it is. That's the deal you get. That's what you got. It's nice. Let's get this right here. Look at that. Bike fits in here. I think I'm gonna move the couch out of the way. I'll put it in front of the door when I go to bed tonight. This way I can get my bike over there out of the way. Or I'll put my bike in front of the door. I'm gonna cut out for the night. And I will see you tomorrow.